Well, I'm in my apartment here in Aveiro, the one I'm renting for a couple days. It's a nice little apartment. Shower, toilet, bedroom here. It's it's a studio apartment. Washing machine, little table, cooktop, all the necessities you pretty much need. A little sitting area here. Another twin bed over here. A couple of chairs in this place, and oh, there's a TV. The view's not anything to get excited about, but it is fairly close to everything here. The ocean's about 10 kilometers that way. And back this way, there's the train station. So you're about 500 meters from the train station that way.